Good evening. I want to focus on Canadian dollar pairs as there may be some turns coming into the market in a few of them. If you've seen the past videos, you know I'm still considering a flat for Euro Canadian dollar. It's made 5 waves up here, which could be a high in for Y. The bigger picture has this 1-2-1-2 count, so there's a possibility there. On the 4-hour time frame, I can count 5 waves up into this area, and so we should at a minimum see some kind of retracement, if not the beginning of a new major wave down. So for the bearish scenario, there is a flat in for wave 2 of wave 3. Alternatively, if this is a new 5-wave move, we should at least see a correction down from here. So this looks like a good sell opportunity into tomorrow if there's a small correction. US Canadian dollar, I won't go over this again, but if you want to take this as a 5-wave sequence, there is a sell opportunity in here. It's open about whether we've had all of wave 2 in or not, but see how this emerges. If you want more information on this, see yesterday's video, as I still am entertaining a move higher as well for the time being. And New Zealand Canadian dollar has not broken down as I thought it would, so I'll follow this, see how it develops over the next few hours. Aussie New Zealand. I'm looking for wave 4 here, wave 4 of wave 3 for a continued move up. On the 4-hour, it is channeling. So I'm looking for wave 4 to end here, as I mentioned last week, or at least beginning of this week. We should see around 108.60 here as it returns to previous wave 4. So this type of area, maybe another gyration down, but it is in the area now to turn higher. So I'm still looking for higher in this for wave 5 of wave 3, and then a bigger correction overall for wave 4 of this entire sequence here. Well, it's been a long time coming, and I judged it too early back here, but we may see a full 5-wave sequence down now for US Japanese yen. This still has a number of possibilities open. I'm going to have to recount this, so just ignore that count. Same on Euro Yen, I will have to recount the bigger weekly picture. But at least a bounce now over the next few days, I would say, because it has put in 5 waves, I think. So that gives Euro Yen the possibility to move higher. I talked yesterday about this looking as like a 3-wave move. I can count it as 5 if I take this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 5. So if it can find a low here, it is open to moving higher as well, ignoring this line, as it can do this type of thing. But for now, there is no turn on the daily to signal a low either, and no 5-wave impulse from here to signal a low, so I'm just watching this for the time being, and I'm not going to take a position in this until I see a small impulsive wave followed by a small correction. Still looking for higher in Euro New Zealand. We've made 3 waves up. I'm looking for 4 to follow somewhere. A couple possibilities here. It may have made printed 4 already. We could see another gyration down. We could be looking at a triangle even. For another move higher. So a couple scenarios here, but this is looking higher because we've only made 3 waves so far from here. I should have done this earlier. Aussie Canadian, it's still within the daily wedge, though I am looking for a move lower still, most likely, and then a move higher. And then one more move up for the bigger wedge of C. And finally, gold. I'm not going to cover every pair every day unless I see some developments or something interesting, some new possibilities. Gold, I would still like to see higher for, I would still like to see a B wave in here and move down for C. So I'm not taking this as going to continue higher just yet. Still looking like you could turn down here and make one more low, which is what I'm looking for in this before a possible move up. So tomorrow, if I can see a small bear flag, small correction in EuroCAD, it looks like it will be a good sell for a minimum correction, alternatively a huge down move for the end of a flat in a bigger sequence here. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.